Well, we have a change on the way here. When you look at our Super 7 day, I'll show you that here in just a minute. These temperatures are about to tank. All is pretty quiet right now. We're going to start to see some snow, though, here in the northern and central mountains pretty soon. So some fresh powder for those that are up for the holiday. Wind gusts, though, one of the bigger issues right now. Speeds have been at around 30 to even near 50 miles per hour in some areas near Berthoud Pass, Estes Park, Fort Collins. So a little bit windier. Mild and dry, though, through Tuesday. We're going to see wind gusts up and through the northern Front Range mountains at near about 75 miles per hour. Snow develops on Tuesday night. So Tuesday night into Wednesday is when you're going to see the change here in town. Right now, though, a wide range of temperatures because of those winds rolling off the foothills, warming things up here early this morning. You'll find some 30s and 40s here through mid-morning. More snow developing right at and north of I-70 here by midday. We'll hit highs in the low to mid-50s today under a mostly sunny sky here this afternoon. Should be a pretty pleasant day, but again, a little windy at times. Overnight tonight, we're under some pretty clear conditions. 30s early Tuesday morning. By Tuesday afternoon, likely again closer to 60. It's going to be even a little bit warmer here Tuesday, upper 50s to near 60. Now, we're clear by, it looks like, that afternoon, tomorrow afternoon. But take a look, by Tuesday night, areas like Estes Park and then eventually closer to Fort Collins and Greeley, you'll see it here on the statewide map Tuesday night. We'll start to see a bit of a rain-snow mix, which will then switch over to all snow by early Wednesday morning. Totals are going to be a lot heavier near spots like Fort Collins and up and through parts of Larimer and even Boulder counties. Here in town, it looks like around 2 to 4 inches is possible. We'll keep an eye on it. That's going to continue, though, throughout the day Wednesday, and then it'll clear out Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. Quite a bit colder, though, too, from near 60 degrees on Tuesday to a Denver 7 weather action day Wednesday, down to near freezing, upper 20s Thursday. Things will then gradually start to warm up, and we're back in the 40s and even 50s, Jason, Saturday and Sunday.